I'm going to share with you guys this amazing vacuum hack that I kind of figured out on my own while my husband was deployed. My vacuum got clogged and I just could not stand to take my whole vacuum apart to get the clog out and everything. So I had the idea to take these drain snakes. You can get these from Menards. They come in a pack of 3 for like right around $3. I think they're super convenient, but they are basically just these little plastic handheld snakes with the little spikes on them, and they make it so easy to stick in wherever your vacuum is clogged and use just like you would in a drain. I insert it, twist it around, and then I will pull it out, and it will easily pull out whatever clog is in there. It works so much better than like sticking a butter knife in there or taking your whole vacuum apart and hoping that you can put it back together. It makes it so simple. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. It doesn't matter where your vacuum's clogged, whether it be like in the roller brush, if it's stuck in like one of these tubes. Just for argument's sake, we're going to say it's clogged down here. So I'm actually just going to shove it in the hole down here underneath the rollers. I will twist it once I get it in there and just pull out. And if there were anything stuck in there, it'll be stuck right here on the snake, and I will just keep doing that until the clog is completely removed and the vacuum's working as it should. It's the easiest little hack to unclog your vacuum in literally seconds.